Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use trailing stop loss on Webull. A trailing stop order is a dynamic tool that automatically adjusts your stop price as your stock's price increases. This helps you lock in gains while still allowing for further upside. You can set this trailing amount as either a specific dollar value, like $1, or as a percentage, such as 2%, giving you flexibility in managing your risk. To place a trailing stop order first, ensure you hold the stock you wish to protect. From your portfolio, select the specific stock and then choose the option to close position or sell. This action will open the order entry screen. Within this screen, you'll find various order types. Simply select trailing stop to proceed with setting up your order. Once you've selected the trailing stop order type, you'll need to define your trailing amount. This can be a fixed dollar amount like 50 cents or a percentage such as 3%. The key is that your stop price will follow the stock's price upward, maintaining that set distance. However, if the stock price begins to fall, your stop price will remain at its highest adjusted point, triggering a sell if reached. It's important to remember a few key points about Webull's trailing stop orders. They are typically only active during regular market hours, from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Furthermore, these orders usually expire at the end of each trading day, meaning you'll need to re-enter them daily if they haven't been filled. Also, please note that trailing stop loss orders are not currently supported for options contracts on the platform.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.